Spicy Korean corn dogs. How long is my cheese pool? Let's find out. No cheese? Are you kidding me? Hopefully we get a cheese pool this time or I'm gonna be mad. I need something longer. That was a decent sized cheese pool. I honestly wish I could share my corn dogs with you guys. Hopefully I get the longest cheese pool this time. It's bussin' time, baby. Truffle lays. What an odd combination. 9.8 out of 10. The flavor is immaculate. I think these are the shellless Skittles. I was actually right. It's so soft and melts so smoothly in your mouth. 9.5 out of 10. Wagyu steak flavored Lays. This is probably the most interesting Lay's flavor I've ever tried. 9.7 out of 10. Hershey flavored juice box. Let the sucking begin. It literally felt like I was skydiving. 9.2 out of 10. Pickled flavored freeze pops. Hopefully I don't get a reaction. Frozen fruit roll up. I avoided this trend because of my braces. I'm finally gonna do it. Fury pepper flakes. Chamoy. Yo, when it comes to spicy food, I am undefeated. Today I will be defending my title against the Saxby's extremely spicy tenders. Hopefully these extremely spicy tenders has the facilities to penetrate my defense. I honestly think I'm finna be undefeated for a long time. These tenders ain't spicy to me. Yes sir, this tenders is definitely pushing Pete. No reaction. Soon I will be taking over the Sour Kingdom. Sour Cherry Blasters. No reaction, it was actually really good. Slime liquor. It looks like a deodorant. There was no reaction, it's really good. Sour smoke balls. I just had a slight reaction, it wasn't that bad. Toxic waste. I'm so sorry I couldn't handle that. It's really sour. Sour pickle balls. Here goes nothing. Why are you staring at me like that? Can I have some? I don't feel like sharing my gummies with you. Give me some. No, I don't want to. I will tell your friends at school that you were adopted. That's so rude. Yes, I don't care. Okay, fine. Close your eyes and open your mouth. Shh. Are you ready? Why do you want me to give a reaction so bad? Sour pickle balls. Last ball. I had a little bit of a reaction, but it wasn't that bad. This is actually my first time trying seafood. I don't know what to expect. I heard that this guy is a sea roach. Yo, this is literally a dinosaur. Why does this girl look like a caterpillar? Look at that meat. Sea roach. This roach got the whap. Somebody throw me into the sea. This is so good. Most of my OG followers remember my last experience with garlic. Okay, I'll try to take a deep breath to get the garlic juice inside my sinus. Wow. Oh my god, I feel it. Yeah, since then I have never tried it again. I'm taking this risk because I love you guys so much. Oh Lord, save me from acid reflux. You gotta be kidding me. No way. What? So I went to Dave's Hot Chicken today. They literally made me sign a waiver to order the Carolina Reaper tenders. Someone is getting sued if this tenders is not hot enough for me. No reaction. No reaction. Spicy green burger. Spicy green cereal. Tabasco green pepper sauce. Sliced jalapeno. Jalapeno popper goldfish. Green tacky powder. Green pepper sauce. No reaction. I don't even want that many likes. I love entertaining you guys. I would do it for free if I had to. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. 15 ginger shots. No reaction. These are Wingstop's atomic boneless wings. Supposedly these wings are meant to be super spicy. Hopefully I get a reaction this time. Honestly, it's not really spicy to me. I think I might have to turn it up a bit. They even look a lot better. No reaction.